Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gene, and in today's video we are going to talk about HTML attributes. Now before we talk about HTML attributes, I would like us to recap what we talked about in the last video. So in the last video we talked about HTML elements, and we said that HTML elements are pre-made and pre-named elements that serves a purpose. And by that I mean that HTML elements are elements that already exist. They come with the language and we just need to use them to achieve what we want. For example, as you can see right here, since I wanted to write a paragraph, I had to use the P element, which stands for the paragraph. If you can read what's up here, you can see the P element represents a paragraph. And if I wanted to show an image in my website, I will just need to use the img tag. And if I wanted to show a video, I would need to use the video tag. As simple as that. You can see I did not invent these elements. These elements came with the language. I just needed to use them to achieve the purpose I wanted to achieve. Okay, we also said that HTML elements have attributes, and that there are two types of elements. There are empty elements, which are elements like this, and there are non-empty elements, which are these elements. And if you can see, the difference is empty elements are elements with a single tag, and non-empty elements are elements with a double tag. Non-empty elements are elements with two tags. There is the opening tag and the closing tag right here. And also non-empty elements can have children, and the children goes between the two tags. The children of this element goes between the opening and closing tag. Okay, so this was the recap of what we talked about in the last video. In this video I would like to talk about attributes. And if we look at the elements that we created, the image and the video element, these I just wrote them down here. And if we look, we can see that they have some text that you've not been seeing before. The source, okay? This is called an attribute, okay? And the syntax for attribute is something like key value pair, okay, where the attribute name is the key, okay, and then the equal sign means that we are giving whatever is on the right or whatever is between these two quotes the value for this attribute name right here, okay. So this is the key, okay, and then whatever is in between these two quotes is the value, and the equal sign means that the value is being assigned to this attribute name. And attribute names are also like pre-made, meaning they already exist and we just need to use them. For example, this attribute src stands for source, meaning like if I want to show you an image, I need to use the img tag, and then inside I need to specify the source of this image, like where my website should get the image that I'm wanting to show, just like in the video. So in a video too, it has a source attribute where I need to specify where the source of this video is coming from. So we see that even though like this is an empty element or a single element, it can have attributes. And we also see that this element, even though it's a non-empty element, a double closing tag, okay, it can also have attributes. And this concludes that every HTML element can have attributes, okay. And elements can have a single attribute like this one right here, or they can have many attributes, okay, as much as we need. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and write down just a URL for an image to just show you the value of attributes. So this is a URL where every time I reload my website, this server will give me a new picture. Alright, so we're at the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and also comment down to ask questions or leave some feedback. And thank you so much, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.